Missing someone without you.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So ngayon it's April 4, Saturday. So ngayon gagawin natin is we're going to declutter, or hindi naman declutter, organize lang ng mga makeup products. So tune in for you to witness kung ano ba yung mga essentials, ano ba yung mga makeup products na meron ako. So keep on watching. So, ito pala yung mga foundation ko. So, as you can see, puro Maybelline products. And we have also setting spray. Ito, sunscreen, tinted sunscreen. Mary Kay. CC cream. And then, foundation ni Mary Kay, front row. Okay, yan. Pero mostly na ginagamit ko dito is more on the Maybelline. So, I'm just wiping off the dust. Okay, so ngayon, organize lang natin yung makeup natin. So, this one is an acrylic set. I just bought it from Shopee. So, this one, ito, tsaka ito, 450 or 350 pesos ata. No, so I will just put the link in the description box for you to see kung saan ko binili itong organizer. So actually, it's very helpful for you to organize your makeup sa acrylic na organizer. So ito, i-arrange ko lang yung mga foundation. First in, first out tayo. So, yung mga unang mauubos dyan sa harapan. Next one is organize natin yung mga lipsticks natin. So, mostly from Maybelline din. So, sa pag-organize nito, I just have the shade upright. As you can see from the shade range, prefer ko yung nudes. Okay. Then also we have Vice Cosmetics. So shade up tayo para malaman natin kung ano yung shade na gagamitan natin. Then also we have the very classic Toast of New York, Ever Belena. Okay, ito hindi ko masyadong ginagamit kasi medyo dark ang kanyang shade. Ayan. So, shade up lang. Ayan, medyo awkward kasi pointed, no? Pero shade up lang kasi para makita natin yung shade. Then, saan pa ba? Okay, yan lang. Next one, we also have our lip tint. So, as you can see, itong mga lip tint ko are miniature in sizes. So, I just bought this last year from the brand Bubu Chic. So, si Magawama, ang shade niya is parang dark, violet. Hindi ko din masyadong ginagamit. So, as you can see, ang shade range ko talaga is nude. So, ganyan lang. Opposite sa mga matte na lipsticks, ang pag-organize ko sa lip tint is ganyan lang, dito lang sa likod. And since pwede namang 2 lip tints per row, so yun, i-arrange ka lang. Okay, next one, something Dirty Pop. Okay, Bratinella. Ito lang gamit ko, Girl Boss. And then, itong Peace. So, more on the red shade sila. Brick red na shade. So, aside from nudes, I also like yung mga red na shades, no? So, yan. Ilalagay lang natin dito. Sa likod. And itong lip scrub, dito na lang din siya. Okay, meron pa tayo isang Gossip Girl na lip tint. And then, we also have lip balm. So, ito talaga yung favorite ko na lip balm from Human Nature. Okay. So, tinted siya, but then, very muted lang na yung tint niya. Yan. At saka, may cooling effect siya. So, if you have dry lips, this is recommendable. Itong Human Nature. Lalagay lang natin dito. This one, I just bought it from the Rose Pharmacy. It's from the brand Lip Hop Honey Moist. So, may avocado oil siya. So, hindi ko din masyado siya ginagamit. Okay, but then, yan lang for stock. Okay, next one, we have actually two Ever Belena lip tint. Yung very classic nila na lip tint in a tube. Yan. Yung pinakaunang release nila. Okay. So, dito ko lang siya ilalagay sa likod. Since it's in a tube form. At saka medyo mataas. Next one, meron pa akong hindi na-open na beauty tint or lip tint from the brand Beauty Tint. So, shade niya is brick red. So, dyan lang din sa likod. And then, ito, pinaka-favorite ko din to. Mary Kay. So, Old Rose, ang kanyang, Old Rose ba? Mauve Moment. So, maganda to pag gusto mo natural lang yung look mo, no? So, we're just gonna place it ganito. Kasi nakikita naman yung shade dito. Okay, the next one I have also may essential. Automatic siya na eyebrow blocker. Yan. So, automated siya. No? Kasi, in my case, madaling magtubo yung eyebrows ko. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Okay, next drawer. Ito yung mga essentials ko. Blush. Ito yung mga spare ko na matte lipsticks. So, we have from Careline. On the first drawer, we have Ever Belena. Ito hindi pa na-open. Kakabili ko lang nito last month. So, Infallible. Ito yung nasa macaroon edition ng L'Oreal. So, actually, this is my first L'Oreal lipstick. Then, also we have primer. Hindi ako nagpa-primer. So, lang, stock lang din. Then, we have Vice Cosmetics, matte lipstick. Okay. We have Super Beauty. Ito yung local brand lang. Then this one, this is a cheek and lip stick, peach stick ng Careline. Then also we have sample na lip matte from Mary Kay. And then also we have, ito ubos na siya actually. Okay. Vice Cosmetic na lip tint, water gel tint. So gamit na gamit. Then, meron pa pala akong isang lipstick. So, binigay lang din sa akin. Okay, so, dito ko lang yan ilalagay. Okay, so, i-arrange natin horizontally. So, hindi naman talaga kailangang coordinated. Yan lang. Higa ko lang lahat kasi matangkad or tall yung container niya. So, So, ito yung mga gamit na gamit, and then dito yung hindi pa nagagamit. And then, for the primer, I think I have to move this one. So, ito, itatapon ko na to since wala na siyang laman. And then, ito, better na siya dito. Then, peach stick, dito na lang din. Yan. And then, we also have the sample. Okay, on the second drawer, meron tayong mga blush. Actually, ito, kinikip ko pa siya kasi napakaganda ng shade niya. It's from Maybelline, Coral Pink. Yung shade niya, or Fresh Coral. So, napakaganda. So, ito yung feeling fresh na blush. Next one, also have from BLK. Ito yung parang putok na blush. Yan. So, very striking, pero pwede mo naman din i-mute. So, it's in the shade Rouge. Then we also have Face Trio. Okay, from Advance, available in Advance. So, ang shade nito is I think Fig or Shine. Sunshine. I forgot. So, tatlo na yan siya. Meron ng highlighter, meron ng blush, and meron ng contour. Then also, we have samples again. So, these are eyeshadow from Mary Kay. So, ito last year pa to. I have got this one when Mary Kay had the seminar sa school. So, we have Shawil. Ito siya medyo parang brown, pero when applied to the skin, parang pink na din yung pigment. So, i-try natin. Para siyang may pagka pink brown. Okay. And then also we have from the Vice Cosmetics blush. As you can see, parang monotone lang yung blush ko. I'm more on the pink kind ng blusher. So, lalagyan lang natin. We're gonna okay, next one, ito yung mga essentials. Dito ko nilalagay yung skincare ko since easy access siya. So, we have pimple eraser from Quick Effects. So, as you can see, paubos na din siya. And then this one, very recommendable na pimple cream. It's, hindi na makita yung title. Madeca cream. So, I bought this one from the Caris website. So, this time, or yung time na yon, may sale. So, buy one take one na tong pimple cream na to. Very effective. Okay, and then also we have Uncover palette. So, ito, regalo pa to ng boyfriend ko sa akin. Uncover. Tanggal na nga yung mirror. Okay, yan. So, itong shade range na nandito is more on the nudes, the browns, the neutrals. So, if you're familiar with this, I think unang version ng palette ng Uncover. Okay, so lalagyan lang natin. Okay, we have the primer. Also, meron pala akong graphic ink liner. Very recommendable din. Very classic na eyeliner ng Careline. Okay, and then yan na. Lalagyan lang din natin yung pimple eraser and then yung Madeca cream. Okay. Then, pwede na natin i-pile yung dalawa. So, pasensya na sa background. Yan. Okay. So, ito pa. nail polish.